Today's market opened equal to high, that is O equal to H, right? Which means the very same point at which the market opened, it started taking a it started moving in the grip of bears. That is one. Now, okay, that is the morning point of view. Then, the important thing that we need to understand is this is the 2 day low. This particular 10716, or let's say 10710 is let's say the 2 day low. Market try to some sort of give try to sustain below this level. So now important is 10700 was the multiple discussed zone which we kept on discussing many a times in our prior videos. 10710, 10700, market respected these levels, open gap down with a open equal to high, and first of all did what? First of all filled this gap. See, first of all filled this gap here. If you can see, the once the gap is filled, the market tried to give some sort of bounce, but as we discussed in our earlier videos, that once this particular level breaches, market won't stop at 50-60 point, it will fall further. And that is how, even if you can see here, so this was the bounce again from 10700, 10670, it again fall up to 10570 kind of zone. So there was no there was no pause in selling. And even after now when we look back, it's some sort of trying to gain a support at these discussed zone of 105, let's say 570 or 10600 odd levels. What can happen tomorrow? Okay, so it's not a daily chart gap, but still, if we go here, and this is something now which gets open up on the downside. So 10400, 10440, after today's session actually it opened down. Otherwise, I still personally I still feel 10500 won't be that easy to crack. But what market says and what chart says, on that basis, if I say 10440 is one of the new stronghold that one has to look for. And on the upside, of course, now 10700 is a tough task. 10700, 10720 zone is now one of the most toughest tasks to cross again. So on higher level, if you see 10700, 10720 zone will now act as what? A very tough hurdle for Nifty. While on the downside, the momentum can continue up to 10540, and then even this particular zone of 10440, 430. So this is for Nifty on a 15-minute frame. If I do it hourly chart, so on hourly frame, the same story, some sort of first support comes at 10500, 10540, which it almost tested today. But tomorrow, let's say in case there is a gap down up to 10540, then it would be a state of big confusion for both bulls and bear. So now that would be tricky. Yeah, in case if there is a gap up, then there won't be much confusion. Let's say there is a gap up of 50-70 points, then it's much more easier to go to take some. When I go on daily frame, this particular zone of 10500 to 10540 act as a savior. At least looking at the expiry very near, I can say that this level might not breach this easily. So just looking at the expiry, tomorrow would be the Wednesday session and day after the weekly expiry session. So I don't see this 10500 mark getting that easily breached out. So 10500 to 10720, or you can say 10480 and 10720, this 200 point zone, just in one way or the other, you can say 120 points away from the current price and 120 points down from the current price is what I see the ideal range of Nifty. Although my bias is, after looking at today's move, it is clearly, of course, on the shorter side with today's high, as of course it's not that easy task to just not just break, but break, close and sustain above this level after a multiple day consolidation. So yes, in one way or the other, I do feel the market may test the lower zones of now even 10340, 10350 mark, but that would be a positional kind of view. And let's see how the broader markets or the US markets, how they perform today, because yesterday they seen one way up move, and till the end of the day they lost all their gains, so that's not a good sign. But let's see how they perform today. and or let's say even in the coming days, because right now if we see, after consolidation down move and looking at expiry very near 10 500 540, truly believe, or I will say I hope this level might get saved. But on the upside, of course, now this one thing is clear: the 10 750 mark is not that easy task to crack, or in one way or the other, not that simple thing that one can easily feel that this particular level of 10 750 will get cracked out. So that's how one can play accordingly by making their own strategies. And yeah, thanks for connecting.